Detailed email delivery reports allow you to follow up on the status of all emails generated in Rocket Matter. Confirm the status of sent emails, resend failed emails, or edit recipients and effortlessly send emails again. Navigate to reports from the left-hand navigation bar. Select I want to see emails that have been sent. The email delivery status report will list all the emails that have been generated from Rocket Matter. The status of the emails, along with the time and date they were sent, will be indicated on the main page. For a more detailed view, click View Details from the Details column. Email details include email type, attachments, recipients, and send logs. You can filter for specific emails by using the Edit Filters button. Search for specific clients, contacts, date ranges, email status, email type. Be sure to click Apply Filters once you've made your selections. To resend a failed email, click Resend Email from the Action column. Click Resend Email once you are satisfied with the email details. You can also resend emails in bulk by selecting the toggle switch on the main page. This will toggle all emails. You may untoggle any emails that you do not want to be sent. Next, use the drop-down arrow next to bulk actions to select Resend Email. Select the blue Apply button to resend.